Denmark says it's developing a digital vaccine passport. It will act as a record for anyone wishing to travel both internally and to countries that require proof of inoculation. Some other countries have held off on the idea, including the UK. Well, Thomas Bustrup from the Confederation of Danish Industry says the app will contain 3 pieces of key information.
Well, we imagine that it will be an app that every Dane are carrying on our mobile phones, and the app will basically contain 3 kinds of information. One, whether you've had the vaccination or not. Secondly, when the last time you were tested, and of course the result of that test. And thirdly, whether you've actually had the coronavirus at some time and thereby have some kind of immunity.
In the shorter and longer term, how do you think that COVID passports could help a recovery from the damage caused by the pandemic? And how could they change daily life for people in Denmark?
That it could increase the mobility in the Danish society until basically all of us have been had our vaccination. And hopefully then, secondly, it will also be a tool for us to travel. We would imagine that other countries would start having the same kind of development of a passport or an app, and thereby it's something that you use in the airport.
And what kind of work do you think does have to happen for an internationally functional passport system to work?
I think probably on the EU level, firstly, our leaders of states and governments will have to agree that this is something that is needed, and also to create some kind of international standard for this. Of course, one could wait for that, but it doesn't seem like there's a lot of interest on EU level among the member states. The Commission is quite eager to develop this, but among the member states. So basically, I mean, some countries just have to go along with it and try to develop it and get some experiences and show how it can increase mobility on a national level, and thereby hopefully also increase mobility on an international level by traveling.
And how confident are you about the technology? There are some concerns, aren't there, about it being vulnerable to fraud and counterfeiting?
Actually making digital in the digital world will actually ensure that there's not too much fraud about it.